This is a solution video to those people who are still finding it difficult to convert their special protection into a motive of work. I mean, people who apply direct to the Questura. This video is a solution video to you guys. What you have to do, because up till now, many people have been rejected. About 5 people called saying that they went for the conversion of the protectionist speciale, which they already obtained direct from the Questura. The same Questura is not telling them that they cannot convert these documents into a motive of work, which in reality it is not true. Why? Because the court of Venecto have ruled over that people who get the special protection direct from the Questura can also convert it into a motive of work, just like the one you get through the asylum process. Now, Refugee Info Italy have now bring out a guideline what people have to do. So this is a solution video to those people who are still finding it difficult. Those of them they message me say yes, una no fit convert. Questura they tell una say they no dey convert them. Not be true. Now listen to what you have to do. I'm going to read that little bit article. Then I will explain more to you guys. Now listen attentively. He said here, important info about conversion of the protectionist speciale permit. Now listen, if you get protectionist speciale by applying for asylum, you can then convert it into a work permit if you meet the requirement. That is for those people who get it from court. You know that already. Now listen, he said, if you get protectionist speciale through the direct application at the Questura, they may refuse to convert it into a work permit even if you meet the requirements. What to do in this case? Now listen what you have to now do in this kind of situation. He said, if this happens to you, you can try to appeal with the help of a lawyer against Questura's rejection. He said, indeed, the Veneto Regional Court recently ruled against the refusal of a Questura to convert a protectionist speciale permit into a work one. So, the thing is very simple. If, for example, you dey among people be like say you try to go convert your protectionist speciale into a motive of work where you apply for direct to Questura, they refuse, what you have to do is to take a lawyer. Because that court will be like say they rule over all those things. There is an article, it get right there for law, say yes, people when apply direct to Questura, they also have the right to convert it into a motive of work. So at this stage, what do you need? You need the help of a lawyer. Then you give this particular case to lawyer, say you want to convert the document, they're not agree. Then the lawyer will not go direct and take the article and then fire the Questura. Automatically, they have to convert it for you. And in most cases, not just because you apply direct to Questura, that is why they demand not to convert for you. One thing people have to also understand is that even the one you get from the court, from your appeal or commission, in most cases, most Questuras, they don't want to take those responsibilities. They will like you to go through a body. That is why it is good. When you want to convert your document into a motive of work, you go through CAF or CGL. You get one office when always they announce every time in this platform. When people have to make anything, go to ANOF. ANOF office is a place made for immigration. You pay 0 naira, 0 euro. You know they pay 1 euro for anything. Any practical concerning immigration issue, just go to the office of ANOF. They do everything for you free of charge. So, if you are among those people who have been rejected because of recent, many of them are going to send messages, what you need to do now, first of all, confirm whether not because you go direct, go do them by yourself for Questura and I make them agree, or they tell you say because you get them through Questura and I make them agree. So you have to check the hypothesis and know what to do. So if it happens to be that it is because you get it direct from Questura, that is why they refuse to not convert it for you, then at that point, you not get to find a lawyer who have to not fire law against them that the court of Venecto have stated that if I get my permesso di soggiorno, the protectionist speciale direct from the Questura, I can also convert it into a motive of work, just like person who gets it direct from the appeal or from the court. So that is what you have to understand. A very simple video. So the summary of everything be say, if they not agree, you convert, you take lawyer. Lawyer go take the article where they take rule over that law. Then that Questura go talk the reason why where if you say you know go fee convert the document for you. So that is just it. If you like this video, do what to give me thumbs up. I try my best to make sure I settle down, give an update wetin dey happen for the Italian side. Wetin you do for me na to share the video, you give me thumbs up. These two things, that is only what you can offer to Prince TV. Then I make more research and bring more videos for you guys. Respect to all the fans of Prince TV. Ciao.